Kiambote.
Kiambote.
Ngizambote vemu kututala una tomakwiza sitalonga ndinga tseto ndinga kintinu kya Kongo de totela. Welcome, thank you for being there. We are going to learn again Kikongo, Congo Kingdom language. We have our brother and the sisters. I'm going to greet each one of them in Kikongo. Nengalulemba, Yambote,
Kiambote.
Okay.
Runama Vimpie,
Engata tuna mavipe tutondole.
Nengwandona, Yambote,
Kiambote,
Kiambote.
Runama Vimpie,
Ingata, Tunamazempe, Tutondele.
Tutondele, Tata David, Yambote,
Kiambote.
Runama Vimpie,
Tunamavimpi. Oh, ingeta. Tunamavimpi. Tutondele.
Tutondele, Nengwalulemba, Yambote,
Kiambote.
Runama Vimpie,
Ingeta. Tutondele.
Vimpie, Tutondele. Tutondele. Nengwa mazenzele. Namavimpie.
Engata tuna mavipe tutondole.
Tutondele. Thank you very much. Well done, see? We are from Congo Kingdom. Hooray! Okay. Let me just share my screen. We're going back to the greeting again because some people were not here. I think you can see my screen. Yes. Okay. Who is brave? Tata David, please.
Giza. Or in Gizulu.
Sorry, I'm sorry. You can ignore the bracket. Gizambote.
Gizambote. I see.
Thank you.
Which means welcome.
Yes. Yambote. Hello.
Yambote.
Good morning, Lucikamene. Brother David, can you help us? I mean, can you explain? Remember last time we were talking about the Lucikamene? What does it mean?
Did you sleep well? Did you rest well?
Thank you very much. Well done. In Congo tradition, when I say Congo, remember, before we came live, we mean K, yes? Here we're talking about Congo K. We're not talking about countries. We're talking about Congo K. Because before they went there, okay, I have to stop there. Okay. We're just one kingdom. Yes, you're right. Well done, Lutikamene. This is a good morning. This is a tradition. This is how we think. In the village, you'd ask people, the person, have you woken up well? We don't wish to say good morning to someone without knowing if he had a good sleep.
Yeah, it's a beautiful way to ask.
Of course, how can I say good morning? Sure, you had a good sleep if you're not well.
Right.
Yeah, this is the reply. Then Ingeta Vitomenesikama. Brother David, I think you can help us again, please.
Ingata. Tutomene sikama.
Yes, meaning because remember the question was.
Right. Did you rest well? So you're saying, sure, I rested well. It was a good night.
Okay, I wasn't up well. Yeah, good. Are we okay? Yes, I think. Ngwandona. All right, yeah. Yeah, let us move. Kuku ambote. Kuku ambote is night. Ambote, good. Well, Fuku ambote, good night. But as I said last time, it an adaptation. It is an adaptation of Western. We don't say Fuku ambote. We say Lekaki ambote.
Babe, can you shut the door? Yeah, because I can hear. They can hear you through my headset.
Yes, thank you, Nangamaze, thank you. Yes, we say Lekaki ambote. Have a good sleep. Sleep well. Okay. Nengwandona. Wenda
Kiambote.
Can you read, please?
Wenda Kiambote.
Write down. Wenda Kiambote meaning
Goodbye.
Goodbye, but it means in Kikongo, the meaning of the word is Wenda is going, Kiambote, go, well, go well.
Go well.
So, who said that? That's David.
The person who's going.
Wenda Kiambote, Wenda Kiambote.
The person who's saying.
Well done. Wenda Kiambote. You go. Wenda Kiambote.
Okay.
Okay, now we're going to Nengolulemba. Can you read, please? Your macro.
Sala Kiambote.
Well done. Okay, it's there. Stay well. The person leaving. Yeah.
What did they say from there?
Sorry. Stay well. Kumbwa kunani. This is a question I'm asking to someone who lives in Florida. Who lives in
Let's see. Menzazeli Villa.
Yeah, well done. But before you say that, there's a Kikongo sentence before that. My name is
Wakunani. I'm not sure if I
That's
said
the question.
Yes. What is your name? Menzazele Villa.
Yeah, Kumbwame.
Kumbwame.
Yes. Kumbwa kunani. Kumbwame.
Kumbwame kunani.
No. That's the question. Kumbwame. Let your name your name. My name is Kumbwame.
Kumbwame. Okay.
Yeah, well done. I think we're going straight to the lesson. If we have time, we're going back to other items. Save time, we're going to the main lesson. Please. Okay. I'm sure Brother Dave is going to remember. Last time we were talking about utokozi. In Kikongo, we say utokozi makiambi.
Can you put the words on screen?
Sorry? Now before, we're reading soon. Utokozi makiambi. Brother David, remember? Is there?
Yeah. I see the word ingratitude on the
Yeah, that's
notes.
it. That is there. Is there. You're right. So we are going quickly to read as usual these notes. Can you help us, brother David?
Ingata.
Itondele. Yes, you can read, please.
Malongi
Oh no, no,
Kikongo.com.
sorry. I need to share. I can't see. You can't see my screen. I'm sorry.
Oh no, now I can see. Okay,
I'm sorry to
Congo
me.
language course. hmm
hmm
Malongi Makikongo in
Yes, remember this
Kizombo.
is just a phonetic spelling. You don't write the W-O, just one O. But this long
Mhm.
vowel, remember?
Yeah, Malongi Makikongo Kizombo
Well
by
done.
Professor Hazel Carter and the Reverend
Yes.
Joao Makondekwa.
Makonde kwa.
Makondekwa.
This is one of the great teacher, Kikongo teacher. He's the author anyway.
Joan Hazel Carter, 2202-1928 to 308-2016, received her doctorate with her dissertation Syntactic Tone Phrases in Congo, Kikongo language, in
Mhm.
the African Studies Program, Department of African Languages and Literature, University of Wisconsin-Madison, USA, May 1987.
Thank you very much. Tutondele. Congo people, when they say thank you, they do this.
Ah,
We do this, we say thank you. So, uh, today's future negatives, mm, lesson
okay.
2, section 2. Remember all the course hinges on this one, on lesson 2. I think we'll have 6 sessions. If you miss all the sessions, I'm not sure if we're going to make it. Pattern, Osinga, are you going? You, Ve, Kisinga, Modo, Onge, Yosinga, are you going to? Ve, Kisinga. Here, we're going to learn, this is second person, Ngeye, you, mm, you, Ve, no, you, Ngeye. Okay, now, we're going to read, who is brave? Nengo Lulemba, over to you, please.
Oh, onge osinga die.
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to eat?
Mm-hmm.
Vivek singa
Mm-hmm.
dieko.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm not going
Don't
to
worry
eat.
about the double V, just a V, V. Mm-hmm. Yeah, just
Ve.
trying phonetic spelling, trying to help us to pronounce correctly. Only remember, O is a prefix. I mean, let's call it prefix. U is ngeye. A is here. A is hidden. But it's a contraction. If our contraction, that's why we read ongeyo. Ngeye, you. Mono, I, me.
Onge osinga die.
Mm-hmm.
Ve kisinga dieko.
Well done. Ve Kisinga Diako. Kisinga not going. The future. Tata David.
Gehe, Osinga Kisoki,
Kosoke.
Kisoke,
Sorry.
Geye, Osinga Kosoke,
Ongeye,
mhm,
Ongeye. Mm.
Onge,
Osinga,
Osinga Kosoke.
Kosoke.
Are you going to sit down? Ve Kisinga Kisokako.
Kosokako. Kisinga Kosokako.
Kisinga Kosokoko.
Thank you.
No, I'm not going to sit down.
Thank you. Nengwandona.
Onge osinga lambe ve kisinga lambako.
Mm. We have a long vowel here.
Lam
Mm.
lambe.
Okay.
So onge osinga lambe ve
Mm-hmm.
kisinga lambako.
Well done. Singalambako.
Okay.
Nengwa Mazenze. Don't worry. I forgot when you are there. I know you are there. Your
Okay.
turn, please.
All right. Onge osinga nwe.
Mm.
Are you going to drink?
Mm.
Ve kesinga nwako.
Well done.
No, I'm not going to drink.
Mm. Ongeye. E. Remember, E is there.
Onge
Ongeye. No, it's fine. You read correctly. Don't worry. I'm just trying to explain something. Because there's a contraction between E and O, contraction vowel. Well, we just read Ongeyo. Mm.
Um,
Ongeyo single.
Okay, got it.
Tata David, would you mind if I pronounce your name in Kikongo? Kikongo size David. You know the people pronounce your name in Kikongo.
Okay. I'm trying to recall how
No,
you
no, no,
said
no,
your
no,
name
don't
is.
worry. No. I'm confusing you. Okay. I'm going to pronounce your name in Kikongo.
Okay.
Tata Davidi. Tata Davidi.
Tata Davidi. Okay.
This is how I pronounce your name. Okay. Go ahead, please.
Onge osinga sale ve kisinga sale ko.
Remember last time? This is no long vowel.
Sal.
Stay. We write. We don't write, but the long vowels. Stay. Work. Is that one A? Can you do it again, please? Onge osinga sale.
Onge osinga sale ve kisinga sale ko.
Singa sale.
Sala ko.
Well done. Remember this KO negative no. KI and KO. Next time we're going to understand the next lesson. KI, KO, they are linked in terms of negative. In French, you would say maybe je ne. Sorry, say French. Je ne vais pas manger. As soon as you say je ne, as soon as you say ne, you expect pas at the end.
Right.
As soon as you say KI, you expect negative to be confirmed by ko.
Very cool.
Nengolulemba.
Onge osinga sale. Are you going to stay behind? Ve kisinga saleko.
Remember, long vowel, we have two sala. We write same way. This is staying behind. The other one is Nengwandona. The other one is.
you want me to read it?
Okay, no. We'll go later. The other one was.
The other one, that was Onge osinga sale.
Yeah, work, yes.
Go to work, yeah.
This is staying behind. So sorry, Nengwandona, can you do it again, please?
Onge osinga sale.
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to stay behind? Ve kisinga sale ko.
Well done. I'll repeat again.
Ve.
No, it's fine. Don't worry. I'm gonna repeat myself. Yeah. Kiko. I'm reading Kikongo. Kiko. They are linked in terms of negative. They're linked. You're going to understand later. Next lesson, I think.
Onge osinga sikame.
Well done.
Ve kisinga sikamako.
Well done. Ngoma zenze, before I start reading, remember this is long vowel. Go
Okay.
ahead, please.
Ongeo singa tange.
Well done, well done. Tang. Because,
Are you going to read?
yeah, it is a reference language. I mean, Kikongo is soft. The way you speak, you pronounce, yes. Go ahead, please. Again, please.
Okay. Ve kesenga tangako.
Well done, Kisinga Tangako.
No, I'm not going to read.
Tata Davidi. Tata David. Sorry, I'm pronouncing Kikongo, your name. Sorry.
All right. Ongeye osinga viingile. Are you going to wait?
Osinga Vingile. Vingile. Can you do it again, please?
Viingile. Okay, osinga viingile.
Well done.
Are you going to wait? Ve kisinga viingilako.
Well done, well done, well done. As soon as you do you read you prolong the long vowel. As soon as I pronounce correctly, to me it did sound like you are, of course, from the mainland, You are, of course, you. Nengolemba.
Onge osinga vove.
Well done.
Are you going to speak?
Mm.
Ve kisinga vova ko. No, I'm not going to speak.
Let me just test you. I'm going to test you. Kwenda, to go, going to go. I'm asking Nengolemba. Kwenda, it is go. Onge osinga kwende. Now you apply a negative.
Kwende. Okay. Ve kisinga kwende ko.
Well done, well done, well done. The verb is there, but these are negative. Comme as I said in French, ne and pas go together. Thank you. Wow, well done. Guandono, please.
Unge osinga vutukie. Ve kisinga vutukako.
Yeah, you sound manyanga. Wow, well done. Wow. I like that accent. We go there in the future. We're going to play Manyanga music, Manyanga song, traditional song, to sense the tonality, the tone, the proper accent. Ngoma zenzele, please.
Onge osinga wove. Are you going to speak? Ve kesenga wovako. No, I'm not going to speak.
Well done. Okay. We're going back. I'm going to test your knowledge. Don't panic. As we know, we read from the beginning, the author of this course said that this course for you to learn, for you to speak Kikongo, not to learn about Kikongo. See, that's why we need to keep practicing. Here, you remember negatives there. They go to this is a verb. I mean, ink. I'm reading Kikongo. Ki and ko. These are your help auxiliary. It said to form negative. Ongeye osinga die. David. Ongeye osinga quize. Quiza coming. Come. Ongeye osinga quize. Tata David.
Quize, you're saying?
Yeah, I'm asking you. Yeah, yes. You just reply. Yeah, please. Ongeye osinga quize. Are you going to come?
Okay, osinga quiye.
No, you reply is there. You're negative. You reply is negative. Ve,
Ve. Kisinga Kwiko.
Kwizako. Well done. Kisinga Kwizako.
Kwiza.
Leka is to midnight, you're tired, then you. That's leka. Nengo lulemba, onge yosinga leke.
Ve kisinga kusoka ko.
Okay, I'm going to do it again. I'm asking you a question. Listen to my question, please. Onge osinga leke. Leka, verb means go to bed, sleeping, sleep. Onge osinga leke.
Leke.
Ve.
Ve kisinga leke ko.
Well done, singa leka. Well done. Nengondona. Vova. You should know that, I'm sure. Vova means.
Speak.
Yeah, well done. Onge yosinga vove.
Ve kisinga vovako.
Well done, well done. This is grammar, very solid, heavy grammar, Kikongo grammar. Singa kosokako. Ngoma zenzele. Kwenda.
Kwenda.
Did it before, I think. Kwenda is going. Kwenda. Onge yosinga kwende.
Ve kisinga kwenda ko.
Well done. Remember, ko, ki, ko, they go together. Ongeye osinga vutuke. Tata David.
Okay, the word is vutuke.
Going back, return, yeah.
Onge osinga vutuke.
No, don't worry about
Ve
reading the question.
kisinga.
I'm asking the question. I just
Okay.
reply. Yeah.
Yeah.
Onge osinga vutuke.
Ve kisinga vutuko.
Well done. Kisinga vutukako. Your verb is here. Kisinga vutukako. Nengwa lulemba.
Onge osinga sale.
Nah, my question is coming. Hard one. Onge osinga dikumuke. Dikumuka to run.
Wait, repeat it.
Onge osinga dikumuke.
I can't.
Let's no profit. Okay.
You need to say it slower. I can't.
Okay, don't worry. I'm writing for it.
Dikumunuka.
Sorry, my mistake. Again.
Yeah. It really helps to see it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dikumuka. Dikumuka.
You see, one of the words you say.
Onge osinga dikumuka.
No, that's my question. Onge osinga dikumuke.
Ve kisinga ve kisinga dikumuka. Ko.
Oh yes, this is not the only word.
So hard. Okay, that one was.
That was challenging.
Yeah. Dikumuka.
Okay, let me just move to the next one. Nengondona. Ongeye osinga nwe.
Ve kisinga nwako.
Can you translate? Onge usinga nwe.
No, I can't.
That's easy. This in Kikongo, it's noir.
Nwa.
Mouth is noir, and we use a mouth to.
Eat. Drink.
Yeah. Onge usinga nwe.
Ve kisinga nwako.
Well done.
Okay, I'm not going to drink.
Nengwa mazenzele. Don't worry. No.
Good.
Don't worry. That was hard for Nengo Lulemba. Sorry, Dikumuga.
Okay.
Ongeye usinga kwize.
Ve kesinga kwizako.
Well done, singa kwizako. Thank you very much. I'm just going to. We're going to eat. Well done to all. Well done. I'm going to. This is our main lesson. I think we got it. Ve, negative. Then ki go. We go together with ko. Kikwendako. I'm not going. Kikwendako. Kivovako. I'm not going to say or to speak. Okay, I'm just going to. Can't do that. Sorry. So there's a late comer, but it's too late now. No. Okay, let me just go again. I'm showing my. No, I should hide this. I should hide it. Nengwandona. How do you say grandmother?
The
Grandfather.
screen, you got to share the screen.
Tata?
I'm testing don Nengwandona.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Is it Tata? No?
How do you say grandmother? Don't worry. We'll go to screen soon.
It's not Tata. I don't know. Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, there.
Kakakunda.
Yeah, great, yeah, great grand.
And grandparents is Kaka.
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 This is for accent for the long vowel, yes. But we don't write accent just for learning.
So Kaka Kakunda.
Remember here you take off. You take off, then you land softly. Nengolulemba, over to you. Nengolulemba. Can you hear us? Can you hear me? I don't see. Tata David. David. Please.
So, Kaka Kunda,
Well done. Kaka
great
Ekunda.
grandparents.
Yes.
Kaka Kunda.
Nengolulemba. Can you read here? Kaka.
Kaka. Kaka.
Grandparents. Nengwandona, please.
Say Tata.
Say that. We normally say.
Yeah.
When I say my father, my dad, I say diame. We don't use tata.
Okay.
Tata is more for respect. That kind of thing. Never, Missy, but we don't use Nenga. We say Ngudi Ame. Father, Ngudi Ame. Nenga Mazenze, can you read here, please?
Ngudi.
Again,
Is the N silent? Ngudi equals mother?
yeah, Ngudi means that N is already there. Don't worry.
Okay.
the tone is just everything come.
Okay,
everything goes
nguri.
Ngudi,
Nguri.
ngudi,
Nguri.
ngudi,
Nguri equals mother.
ngudi. Yes.
Ngudi.
Not n. Ngudi, ngudi.
Ngudi. Okay, ngudi.
Yes. Then Walulemba is there. Can you hear me?
Ntekelo.
Yeah, remember this is a long vowel, please.
Ntekelo.
Well done. This is plural, meaning grandson, granddaughter.
Atekelo.
Well done, atekelo, yeah. Atekelo or batekelo, because in Kimanyanga would put B before A. Yeah, Nemandona. Usually we put B in Kimanyanga.
Yeah. Wakango.
Mengwa mazentele.
Lumvulu.
Tumvulu, tumvulu.
Tumvulu. Great grandson, great granddaughter.
I'm going back to the clip, back to the first line. Then I'm going to ask question.
We forgot about son or daughter, though. We don't. Okay.
Kaka ekunda. Great grandparent. Kaka grandparent. I'm going to hide my slide soon.
Daughter.
Se tata se ngudi. Please, in this case, forget about. Don't use tata here. Don't use tata here.
You say.
Tata more
Mister.
sir. We
Yeah.
use for my father. Go for say. Ngudi. Who can read here, please?
Wana.
Well done. Long vowel, mwana. Very, very important. Kikongo basically is a long vowel tonality. Very important. I remember a few years that I said that to a brother because someone was asking me, do you sing when you speak? Because was Kikongo, the way it sounds, they like singing, you know. The tonality is a soft accent. Ntekelo, puro atekelo. I'm sure you take notes. I'm going to hide my slide soon.
What
was grandfather and grandmother again?
Kaka. N Kaka. Kaka. And Kunda.
Kundi.
What is
That
it?
was for, oh no, not in Kaka for the grandparents. NKAKA.
Is there.
Okay. That's for the greats.
Oh, okay, great.
Yes, yeah, that's for the greats. And the next one is just Nkaka.
Tata David. Tata David. I'm saying in Kikongo. How do you say squirrel in Kikongo?
What's the word again?
Let me write is there.
Oh, squirrel.
Is there. If you just remove the long vowel.
Oh, so just kaka would be a squirrel.
That hence.
But kaka
you
grandparent.
Hence you understand how important is the pronunciation, see? You just remove the long vowel here, you have a different word. What is it if you remove the long vowel?
Squirrel.
So then it just becomes kaka.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Yeah. So you don't want to call somebody's grandfather a squirrel.
No. Squirrel, absolutely.
You will if you don't pronounce correctly. Okay. Say. Remember, we're not talking tata here. Tata, father. Ngudi.
Mother.
Mwana.
Mother. Mwana.
Mwana.
Son or daughter.
Ntekelo.
Entekelo. Entekelo. So that's entekelo.
Atekelo, plural.
I'm not sure I understand the pattern here. The difference between singular and what makes a word plural.
Here,
I thought it was the N.
Hey.
That's what I thought. Oh, it's an A. Okay.
Hey.
All right. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I had it wrong. Okay.
Hey. Or in other case, the other region we put BA.
Okay.
A or BA.
Single. A is single.
In Manyanga, one of the region I like, is very good in tonality, but you speak like singing, you know. You talk like singing. Lumbulu. Okay, are we ready?
No, but let's do it.
Otherwise, we will never be ready. Okay. Yeah. Someone saying hello. Let's see. Hello. Kiambote. Tata onengwa ne Congo.
Kiambote.
Saying hello to us. I'm saying Tata onengwa. Why am I saying that?
Tata. Sir Onengwa.
The person writing, I'm saying is Nengwa or Tata, meaning can be
Yes, sir.
or mother.
Mr. Oh, a mother. Okay.
So. Okay, I can see my screen. I got my screen. How do I say grandparents? Oh, one, because there's no plural. There's no plural in Kaka. It's just many or one in Kaka. Oh, listen to me. I'm just give you the answer. Okay?
I know, right? Thank you. No.
Too late now. Okay. Anyway, great grandparents.
Kaka.
Well done.
Ekunda.
Well done. Mango, well done. Wow. Father. We're not using Tata here. We're not using Tata. Tata, David.
Say.
Well done. Say. My father. Say Diame.
Yummy.
Mother. Nengwa Lulemba. Are you there? I think there's an issue with the machine, the computer. Nengwa Lulemba. My mother. How do you say mother? Anyone can help?
Goody.
Goodies.
Yeah. Goody.
Gudeyame? Would you say ame for my?
Well done, Ngudiame, my mom. Yeah, Ngudiame.
Right.
I said Diame, my dad. Ngudiame, my mom. Well
I
done.
want to put that on there.
Ntekelo.
Okay. Say that again. Entekelo.
Thank you.
Is that grandson or granddaughter?
Well done. Mind the pronunciation, Nengomas in the NT, Nte.
Entekelo. Okay. Entekelo. Okay.
Thank you.
Lumvulu. Tata David, I think you know the pattern.
No, that's true.
Lumvulu.
Did I write that down? Probably not. Nope. I didn't write that one. Tatu.
Okay, I think someone's here. A stranger is here. I'm going to add him, but it's too late to
I
declare.
can't. I don't remember that. I remember Tulu. I don't remember.
Michael.
Hello, cousin.
Hello, Michael. Can you hear us?
Salut tout le monde.
Hello.
Hello everybody.
Okay. Hello, Michael. Can you hear us?
Oui, yes. It's good for me.
Okay. Let us move. We are going to a new. Let me just read here. Someone saying hello. Yambot again. Yambote. This is not Yambote. Yambote. It's nice. It's fine. Tata Michael. Tata Fundu. Can you hear me? Michael, can you hear me?
Your screen keeps freezing on us, Michael.
Okay. Sorry. We'll see you later. Yes. Okay. I think we're done well today. Just one thing, very quick one. Very quick one. Next time we'll go back to the numbers.
Oh, okay. We're gonna do that. All right, we can do it. But
Nengo, can you hear me? Yes. We can't hear you.
Yes.
Oh, good. Okay.
Yeah, now we can.
Now we can. Numbers. Let us go quickly to numbers. 1. We start from 0. How do you say 0 in Kikongo?
Pavila,
Well done. And 1.
I don't know.
Mosi, no?
Oh, well done. Okay. Yeah. Tata David. Number 3, please.
I don't know.
Tole.
I don't have
Oh,
the I don't have the lesson in front of me.
Oh,
yes.
I have to look for it too, David.
Mandona. 5.
I don't know. I don't remember.
Okay, no, we're going there soon.
Tanu.
Well done, yes, done.
Oh.
There,
Okay.
now we can see.
No.
Now we
You're
can.
supposed to see. No.
I mean, you can only. Yeah. Pavila Mosi's only tattoo. Yeah. Sambanu, Samwadia, Nana, Wa, Kumi.
Again, keep reading.
Pavila Mosi's only tattoo. Yeah. Samwadia, Nana, Wa.
Okay.
Kumi.
Well done. Can I remove my screen?
Yep.
No.
Pavala is 0. 0 is Pavala.
No.
Pavala means 0. In other context, Pavala and Kikongo mean vanity.
Mm.
Vanity 0, yeah? No sense. Vanity 0. Pavala. Yes. Over to you, please.
I didn't hear.
Pavala.
0. Pavila is 0.
Yeah. Carry on, please. Go ahead. Pavala. Mosi.
Can you type it? Because I can't hear you. I cannot hear it. You
I
said
can't hear it.
Pavila is 0, but you said it also can be vanity.
Don't worry about that. I'm just trying to. Sorry, I'm confused, but don't worry about vanity. In other context, means vanity. Tata David, over to you. Kavala then. Most.
Favela, big zero. I don't have the words in front of me.
Okay. You want us to say the numbers as they go? Is that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
By heart, if you can.
Okay.
Pavala Mosi Zole.
Zole.
Tatu.
Yeah.
Ya.
Yeah.
Tanu.
Sambanu.
Sambuado. Okay.
Nana.
Wow.
And Kumi.
Well done. Well done. Well done. Now we're going to 10.
Kumi.
10.
Kumi Mosi.
Oh boy.
Can you see the screen? Yeah, now you can see.
Maku.
Then, well done. Then go remember Maku. 10 the prefix is Maku. Up to, remember, up to 60. Kumi. Makumole.
Makumole.
Makumatatu.
Makumatanu. Makumasambanu.
God bless you.
Okay, from up to 60. All the units are there. Mole here, Zole is there. See?
God bless you.
Tatu free is there.
Yes.
Yafo is there.
Yes.
Down to 5 is there.
5. Yes.
Up to 60. Nengwalulemba. How do I say 42? Everything is there.
Maku Maya.
Yeah.
Yezole.
Well done.
Maku Mole Yazole.
Well done. Tata Davidi. How do I say 55? Everything is there.
Makumatanu.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tanu.
Well done. Makumatanu Yetanu.
Sorry.
Well done. Nengwandona. How do I say 66?
Makumasambanu. Yesambunu.
Well done. How do I say 22? Nengwamazenzele.
Oh, me?
Yes, please.
Oh, sorry. Mako Mole Ye Zole?
Well done. Yeah. Don't say this. Okay, thank you very much indeed. You done well. Thank you very much. Tutondele. Let me just say, people are saying hello. Guess what? From US. Many of them. Just say, hi, Randy. Thank you very much. I'm in New York City. Virginia. Oh, Tutondele. Thank you very much. Someone's asking, Kipumu, where are you from? I don't know. Okay, Randy. Wow. Randy is right in Kikongo.
Wait. You see me.
Nengondona. Someone's written in Kikongo. I think you away nusieme means healthy. You are healthy. You are strong. Sieme. Away nusieme. The reason I'm asking you because nusieme usually in Manyanga we use that.
Oh, Luciemi.
Okay. Someone, there's a. Okay, I can't display this. Anyway. Tutondele. Tutondele. Okay, now we're going to say bye. I'm saying you are going. Nengwa mazenzele. What are you to me? What are you say to me? I'm saying you are going.
Sala Kimbote?
Well done, well done, well done.
Okay.
I'm going. You are staying. Tata Davis.
Wenda Kiambote.
Well done. Nengwa ndona. We are going. You are staying. Remember, many.
Sala Kiambote.
We are going. We are many. We are many. And you is a plural, first person plural. And you.
MU.
Nusa Nwenda Kiambote.
Okay.
We are going. We are many. We are going. Nwenda Kiambote.
Okay.
Someone's greeting. Mavimpi meno. It means Mavimpi meno. Mavimpi, remember? Mavimpi means health, of health. Well, okay. You done well. I'm proud of you. You are Congo people. Remember, whenever I say Congo, I mean Congo with.
AK.
Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you very much.
See everybody
Bye-bye.
next week. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. 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 Take care. Bye-bye.